These metatarsal foot pads were sent to me by the company Bloom Labs to check out and do an honest review so that you can make an informed purchase decision. So first off, the material is a felt-like material. It is hyperallergenic. It's 1/4 inch thick. You get 12 of them. I'm wearing 2 of them right now. Very easy to apply. They are sticky, so you just pull them off here and you apply them to the sole of your foot. They are semi-permanent, so if you take them off, it may not stick as well the second time. So you can see here, I have it right at the bottom of my foot here in the center. You can also place it directly in your shoe. It is designed to relieve stress and pain and pressure. So that's really it. They're very nice. Like I said, it comes with 12 of them, so you can put them in if you're using them on both feet. That'll cover you for 6 shoes. Otherwise, if you put it directly on the foot, you'll need to take it off, when you're done. So that is it, and I hope that you found this video helpful.